PewDiePie is a Swedish YouTuber and internet personality who rose to prominence in the late 2000s and early 2010s. His real name is Felix Kjellberg. He was born on October 24, 1989 in Gothenburg, Sweden. He initially gained popularity for his Let's Play videos, which featured him playing and commentating on video games. As of February 2023, PewDiePie is one of the most subscribed channels on YouTube, with over 110 million subscribers. In addition to gaming content, PewDiePie also produces vlogs, comedy sketches, and commentary on internet culture and current events. Over the years, he has become known for his distinctive humor, which often incorporates satire and irony. He has won several awards for his content, including a Diamond Play button from YouTube. PewDiePie has faced controversy in the past, including criticism for using anti-Semitic and racist language in his videos. He has apologized for these incidents and taken steps to address them. Despite these controversies, PewDiePie remains one of the most popular and influential figures in the YouTube community. MrBeast, real name Jimmy Donaldson, is an American YouTuber, philanthropist, entrepreneur, and internet personality. He was born on May 7, 1998 in Greensboro, North Carolina, United States. He rose to prominence in the late 2010s with his videos featuring stunts and challenges, often involving large sums of money. As of February 2023, MrBeast has over 70 million subscribers on YouTube. MrBeast's videos are known for their creative and often absurd stunts, such as burying money and giving it away to strangers, planting 20 million trees, and giving away large sums of money to fellow YouTubers. In addition to his stunts, MrBeast is also known for his philanthropy, including donating millions of dollars to various charities and causes. He has won several awards for his content and philanthropy. MrBeast has also built a successful business empire, including a merchandise line and various investments in technology startups. He is widely regarded as one of the most influential figures in the YouTube community, known for his innovative content and larger-than-life personality.